dudes are nuts. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I was gonna do a video on the caffeine in cars. I had this really cool concept that Kennedy helped me come up with. We're gonna wash the Jeep Trackhawk, the Audi R8, that's one of Kevin's partners for the gym, and the Dodge Charger Hellcat. We're gonna make a cool cinematic video, which we did, and it was gonna be the intro to Caffeine in Cars. But on Saturday when Caffeine in Cars came around, it was a little too windy to have the camera equipment out, plus not that many people came out. We still collected, I think it was like 300 pounds of canned food, which is really good because we had a canned food drive for the Caffeine in Cars, because Kevin likes to try and always schedule something to give back to the community, which is really what the Caffeine in Cars is about. Thank you for the chair. So I'm going to show you guys this clip that I did that was supposed to be the intro for Caffeine in Cars, but like I said, we actually didn't end up filming Caffeine in Cars. So hopefully you guys enjoy the intro, enjoy the little cinematic video, and now that's what you get. So make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Sorry for the short video. It's supposed to be a nice long, like 5 to 10 minute short film that I really wanted to do. I had this really cool idea, but didn't end up happening. So hopefully you guys like it. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. We'll see you guys on the next one.